Hi Doug, just quick. It's probably easier for me to record this than it is to write back to you. So you just asked me, how do you know the date of the chart? So bottom left hand corner, that'll be edition date. So this one was 9th February 2012. So that's usually how you will know the date is there. Um, how would you know if it was corrected? So when you buy the chart, then it will be printed on here, like in this one. Admiral Notice to Mariners updated 618918. So this one is updated to Notice 6189 of 2018. Then as the corrections come out, they will be written in. So this one was corrected 2017. 1437 was the number, 2019, 2369. So this is an odd chart. There's only one correction each year, but it's probably just for demonstration purposes. So that's how you know it has been corrected or someone has done corrections on them. Now, the next thing you need to know is are these corrections up to date? A couple of things we can do with the corrections being up to date. First thing you want to look at is the last correction. So if you've got new corrections, on the new correction it will tell you what the last correction was. So like in this one here now, this was corrected in 2017. The last correction was 1437. So when you get your new corrections, it'll say, all right, previous update 1437 2017, 2017 1437. All right, so we know the last correction was applied. Now you might end up in a situation where you're not entirely sure if this number was wrong or I didn't agree with that. That means there's a correction missed somewhere. Then you'd have to go back to Notice to Mariners. So your weekly editions will give you all the information. So that's, in a weekly edition, it will tell you all the charts and it will tell you when the chart previous update. We'll have a look at that. But as I said, if that doesn't agree with it, you will need to go into the cumulative notices. Now, the cumulative notices are released in June and also released in January, and it's just a list of all the notices that affect a chart. So if when you get a new correction it doesn't marry up with the last correction that was there, you'll have to go into cumulative notices and see, all right, what corrections have been missed? How did the correction get missed somewhere along the way? A handier or another way of doing it, I suppose, is you can go into the UKH office, the hydrographic office, and put in the chart number and search in there, and it will give you all the corrections for the chart. Or another way of doing it, and probably the easiest way, and this is the way Port State Control do it, this is a QR code. It's down the bottom of all relatively recent charts, as in the last 5 years. You can scan the QR code, and the QR code will give you the last correction for that chart and the list of corrections for the charts. So I think that's it. How do you know the date of the chart? That's there. How do you know if it's corrected? The magenta. Then is the correction up to date? So you'd have to go look in your Notice to Mariners or your cumulative notices, or scan the QR code, or go into the hydrographic office website and just put in the chart number. I hope that helps. Any other questions, don't hesitate to drop me a line, and you might share this with anybody else that's going for orals as well. All right, good luck.